The E-rod causes an induced effect as though the soft iron is lying in the athwartship's line. Usually, most vessels have a negative E effect. Its strength varies with latitude and the vessel's course being maximum at the equator on quadrantial 45-degree courses. This animation shows the induction of the E-rod with change in heading. When the vessel is heading north magnetic, the E-rod is not induced. However, when the vessel changes heading, the induction on the E-rod increases. This increase is shown by the line BC and is equal to AB sine theta, where AB is the value of force H. The deviating effect of this force is the line EC, which varies as the sine of 2 theta. However, the effect of the E-rod on a compass is opposite to the effect of the negative A-rod. The deviating effect varies as sine of twice the magnetic course.